the structure of Sikkim economy differ evidently from that of the countries as a whole. While the secondary sector, led by manufacturing and hydropower, account for more than half of the state GSDP, employment remain concentrated in agriculture, although agriculture contributes only a modest share to economic output. It continued to sustain a large segment of our workforce, whereas relatively few workers are employed in manufacturing, power generation, and construction. Bridging this structural imbalance will be centered to our development strategy through higher agricultural productivity, value additions, diversification, and the creation of quality employment opportunity in industry and the service sector. Keeping these realities in view, the government has identified 5 key pillars that will guide our development strategy in the years ahead: strengthening productive sector of the economy, improving infrastructure and connectivity, investing in human capital, promoting development that in the harmony with our ecological heritage, and fostering planned and sustainable urbanization. These priorities will form the foundation of our effort to achieve faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth. Honorable Speaker, sir, I now present to this House some of the new initiatives that the state will undertake in this financial year to enable us to achieve the vision of the Sunawlu Samriddha Ani Samarthya Sikkim in the most effective and efficient manner. As I have mentioned, agriculture continues to be the backbone of our rural economy and the primary source of livelihood for a large section of our population. To strengthen the farming sector and make institutional credit more equitable, the government has decided to launch state interest subvention scheme for Kisan Credit Card KCC agriculture crop loans. At present, farmer able crop loan under the Kisan Credit Card scheme at an interest rate of 7%. Farmer who repay their loans on time receive an interest subvention of 3% through NABARD under the Government of India scheme, reducing the effective interest rate to 4%. To further support our farmer community, the government will provide an additional interest subvention of 3% to farmers who repay their KCC crop loan within the prescribed time and are utilizing the fund for agriculture and related activities. As a result, eligible farmers will effectively avail agriculture crop loan at only 1% interest per annum. This initiative will significantly reduce the cost of cultivation, improve access to timely credit, and encourage greater investment in agriculture. It will particularly benefit small and marginal farmers, promote adoption of improved farming practices, and strengthen credit distribution across the sector. The scheme will be implemented through the Corporation Department in partnership with the Sikkim State Cooperative Bank and Primary Agriculture Credit Cooperative Society, ensuring that benefit reach farmers at the grassroots level. Through affordable credit, stronger cooperative institution, and sustained support for agriculture development, the government remains committed to building a vibrant, productive, and prosperous rural economy and improving the livelihood of our farmers.